has the distinct honor of training large number of cadets from 23 friendly countries. It is a matter of singular honor for us that 11 graduates of PNA rose to the highest ranks and commanded the navies of respective countries. We are also proud to have trainees from Bahrain, Iraq, Republic of Djibouti, State of Palestine, and Turkey standing in parade alongside Pakistani cadets and midshipmen as a proof of the trust our brotherly countries pose in training at Pakistan Naval Academy. It is very satisfying for me to announce that today's commissioning term comprises of 127 midshipmen, including 19 from Bahrain, 4 from Iraq, 2 from State of Palestine, and 23 cadets, including 4 lady cadets from Short Service Commission. Ladies and gentlemen, now I would like to say a few words to my commissioning term and cadets. Pakistan Naval Academy has laid a solid foundation for you to build your personality as an officer of uncompromising faith, unblemished character, undaunted courage, and unwavering commitment to the nation, service, unit, and men under your command. You must never forget, being a leader, you are expected to do what is right and not what is convenient and comfortable. Remember, knowledge is your weapon. Therefore, enhance your intellectual capacity to remain abreast of contemporary warfare. Lead your men through strength of character and knowledge. Having observed you all closely during your transformation, I have no doubt that the generation standing in the parade ground today is not only smarter, but more aware than most of us. Therefore, be innovative and think out of the box to lead technologically advanced Navy. Inspire excellence in those you command by displaying knowledge, intellect, character, and impeccable integrity. I, being the commandant, am sure that you will prove to be the leaders we trained you to be, inshallah. Ladies and gentlemen, in our efforts to train future leadership of Navy, we are thankful to the Naval Headquarters for supporting us in the expansion and efficient operation of our training facilities. I would like to express our gratitude once again to the Field Marshal Sayyid Asim Munir, Nishan-e-Imtiaz Military, Chief of the Army Staff, for his presence on board and gracing today's event as the Chief Guest. May I now request the Chief Guest to kindly give away prizes and then address the parade. Pakistan Navy Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad.
Award of prizes. The best all-round short service course cadet and winner of Commandant Gold Medal is Officer Cadet Eldaz Tahil. The best all-round cadet and winner of Chairman Joint Chief of Staff Committee Gold Medal is Squadron Cadet Captain Uzair Abbas. midshipman and winner of Academy's shirt is Midshipman Sayane Hashmat. The best all-round midshipman and winner of Sword of Honor is Midshipman Abdul Rahman. The champion squadron of Spring Semester 2025 and winner of Proficiency Banner is Squadron X Squadron. And gentlemen, Proficiency Banner is considered to be a coveted prize and awarded to champion squadron of the term. Scout cadets carrying this banner will now take their positions in front of the champion squadron.